Hey guys, this is Vikriti. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss on a very important topic, which is how to fix a software bug. So, software bugs are very common in the life of every software developers. And whenever our manager assign a new bug to us, we hit our head like, what crime I have did that this bug came to me. It gets very difficult to sometimes it get difficult to uh, find out where the bug is because the projects on which we work, those are generally very big, and we need to fix them properly. And there are thousand lines of codes, there are hundreds of 200s of files are there, and where the small bug is hidden, it is really difficult to find out. But if I tell you that there is a common pattern, using that pattern you can fix most of the software bugs. So actually I'm trying to share my secret of how I fix the software bugs that come to my plate. So guys, a little introduction. Like I am also a software developer with, and I have worked on companies like Mavenir, Oracle, NVIDIA, and in my journey I have also fixed a lot of bugs. So today you will be getting my secrets of how to fix a bug. And yeah, so you can thank me later for sharing my secrets. I won't mind. Okay. So just jokes apart, you can subscribe and like to my channel. Okay. So shall I hope that everyone is equally excited to know my secret tricks? Okay. Are you excited? Are you excited? Let's see. Okay. So the first and foremost thing is understand the problem. Before even jumping directly into solving the bug, you first be very clear on what the problem is, what the bug reported is. That should be very clear to you. So read the bug description thoroughly, check all the build version, environment, or any other detail you find relevant for the bug. Ask the reporter if any document you may need and is missing. Second point is reproduce the problem at your end. Prepare the setup as per the dependencies like build version, hardware environment mentioned in the bug. Follow the steps mentioned in the bug and try to reproduce the exact scenario at your end. Once you have reproduced the scenario, make sure that you have kept the debug build while capturing the logs, since debug build have more useful information compared to the release build. So now that you have already reproduced the scenario at your end, you can play with the code and add logs at different places. So next thing is what part of the code has caused the problem. This you have to find out. So how will you find that? So two things. Check if it is a regression or it is not a regression. This before directly going into the code or logs, first check if it is a regression or not a regression. How do you check that is it a regression? If the reported issue was not there in the earlier build and a newly delivered build has caused the issue, then it's a regression. If it's a regression, how do you go ahead and fix the bug? So if it's a regression, it is kind of easy because you have to compare the old and the new log, and there must be some difference. So majorly you have to play with that difference. Check the line from the log file in your project code. Backtrack till you find the function where you find logic is written for that functionality. Congrats if you have found where the problem is. If it is not a regression, then you need to analyze it more because you cannot compare the failed and the pass log because it is not a regression means it is an already existing bug. So you have to analyze the failure log very carefully, search the log line in the code and start doing backtrack, add a debugger or debug log in your code and backtrack and analyze till you reach the method that has the feature or the functionality logic. Good. So now that you have found that where in the code the problem is, the next step would be to go ahead and fix the bug. So prepare the logic you are planning to fix that bug, right? You must be making some logic on how you are going to fix that problem. But before implementing that logic, you must discuss the logic with your peers. So peer review is a must. Why? Because it adds perspective and confidence to your fix. So you must do it. What if you can't fix it? Now there are some scenarios where we find that we could not fix the bug. So now again, there can be two things. It's a regression or it's not a regression. So most of the regression scenario can break the existing functionality. Generally, regression, when a new code change happens, that can break the existing functionality. If that is the case, revert the code that is causing the issue and uh, address that developer who had added that code that your code is breaking the existing functionality. So go check it, fix it, and then only add. If it is not a regression, you can't you can't find a fix right now, then two things. Is it critical to fix? If it is not a regression and you can't find the fix easily or you can't find a good fix for it, then you have to do some workaround for short time. Raise another bug to give proper fix. If it's not critical, so it's not critical and you are not able to fix it and it is not a regression, then leave it as it is and take time to discuss more until you find a good fix. Test properly. Guys, this is very important step. Your fix should not break the existing code. Do all possible unit testing, performance testing, regression test, or any other test that can get impacted by your change. Practice time management. So you cannot keep on fixing a bug for years and years and years. So there must be a timeline decided by you in which you are planning to fix that bug. So plan and schedule your fix on time. You cannot keep fixing a bug for years until it is that major and vast fix. Next is avoid bug during development phase itself. So test before delivering any new feature or functionality. So guys, nobody likes bug. Customer don't like it. QA don't. Okay. So QA may like it because it increases their bug count, but we developer, we hate bugs. Developers hate bugs because every time it comes and it's like, oh God. Okay. So if you want to avoid the bug, test before delivering any new feature or functionality. Test thoroughly. Prepare a list of unit tests that cover all the validation your changes should need. Deliver quality code. Very important. Code quality. Thank you guys. This is all I wanted to share with you. I hope this helps. So, if this helps, then like and subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Bye bye. The most important thing that I have not told till now is avoid the bug. Yes, guys. So, for all software developer, including me, the best practice is while developing the code itself, do all sort of testing. Make a list of unit tests which can be get which can get affected by your change. Do all the unit testing, do all the performance testing, regression testing as much as you can. Test it and deliver a quality bug that will increase your confidence, your quality of code, as well as it will give a good hike to your personality and yourself in the company. Okay, so thank you guys. This is what I wanted to share with you. Okay, wait. One important thing. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button because I'm going to bring more such videos to you, which I hope will find helpful to you and will help you grow as well in your software development journey. So, bye bye.